And here we are, District of Sooke, Municipal Hall. Building Department, Fire Department, Council Chamber, wow. Well, looks like I'm here. I guess that'd be in case you need to check out this nice apartment place I was talking about. Construction site, basically. Looking okay to me. All right. Looking pretty good, really. Here it is. It's you can hear a mourning dove over there. Looks like we got balconies, a couple levels up there, down here. It's a nice kind of a looking building, you know, really. Quite nice. So yeah, there's another site. And what a beautiful park they have back there. Oh, wow. Nice place. Looks like they're doing their best to keep the park in really nice shape. Like they're not disturbing the park and everything. Looks pretty neat. And again, another view from behind that new site. I was concerned that this pond out here was gonna suffer. I hope it doesn't, because we get Canada geese and all sorts of birds and wildlife in there. Tell you what, we'll take a little bit of a closer look. We'll go down and I'll show you. And this would be the Stickleback Urban Trail. Stickleback Urban Trail. And map shows you where you are. And we're basically in Broomhill Park right now. Well, I guess they're calling that a different one. Okay, I guess it is, but it's kind of like one big park, as you can probably see. It looks pretty good. I really like this place. What a place to come and just have a nice pleasant walk or an outing or an afternoon or whatever. And we're seeing all those nice plants growing out of the water. Nice bench to sit on. Another look at the apartment from behind. Kind of neat. Wonder how much them things are. Probably out of my reach, I would probably say. I'm just kind of walking along here and checking out the back of this place. It's pretty nice. I mean, what a nice little place. Wow. Far out. That's cool. This whole place is really cool. I like it. Yeah. You don't see this from the road. Very nice. Okay, another good thing to do is be bear aware. They are very dangerous if they are provoked, and you wouldn't want to go testing them. Believe me, they need to be respected and let to go about their business, and we go about ours, and we can hopefully coexist. And there you go. That's today. Okay. Well, now I'm thinking postings. There's no bulletin board with postings. I would like to find postings. No, I did not say post box, but there it is. And I guess while I'm still here, I may as well get into a point of interest for sure, I guess. And that would be this place. Yeah, Juan de Fuca Community Park's pretty nice. Nice place. They don't allow any overnight camping. Too bad. I've met some of the nicest people on camping trips.